Hey, how's it going? Welcome to another MLittleProgramming tutorial. In this video, we are going to install Django on a Mac using pip and a virtual environment. So, before installing Django, there are a number of prerequisites. The first is that you have Python installed on your Mac. To install Python, one way to do it is by using homebrew. I'll leave a link to homebrew in the description down below, but the link is brew.sh. Once you have homebrew installed, you can install Python 3 with it using the command brew install python 3. To check that you have Python 3 installed, type Python 3 into your command line and you should see a Python shell appear in your terminal. This means you're good to go. Python 3 comes with pip. Pip is a package manager. You can check you have pip installed by typing pip into your terminal and pressing enter. If you have pip installed, you will see a list of commands and options that you can do with pip, as I have on my screen now. Pip allows us to use a virtual environment. A virtual environment is a tool that helps keep dependencies required by different projects separate by creating isolated Python virtual environments for them. This can be useful when you're using different versions of dependencies across different Python projects. For example, if you wanted to use Django version 2 in one project, you can do so without breaking other projects that you may have done in Django 1. To create a virtual environment, we type the command python 3-m venv and then what you want to call your virtual environment. In our case, we'll call it ecomsite. Once the environment is created, it will create a directory with a series of directories inside of it. You can see this by typing the command ls. Here, we see the directory ecomsite has been created. We can look inside this folder by typing the command cd and then the name of the directory, so ecomsite. What we need to do next is to activate the virtual environment. So, to do this, we go back to the parent directory by typing the command cd ... Then type the command source, the name of your virtual environment, so in our case ecomsite, /bin/activate. After this, we can install Django using pip. To do this, we type pip3 install Django. While this is installing, it gives me an opportunity to say that the link to this series playlist will be in the top right now, and I'll put a link to it in the description down below. In this series, we are going to be building an e-commerce website from scratch using Django, and we will be picking up all of the concepts you need to build your own web application using Django. At this point, it is a good idea to follow the suggestion that appears here in the terminal to upgrade the pip version to the latest version. To do that, we just copy the command it specifies and press enter. Now, we should have successfully installed Django, and we can test this by typing the command Django admin. You will see a list of available commands if Django is installed on your Mac. Thank you for watching the video this far. I hope you got a lot of value from it. If you'd like to see more Python programming tutorials, there will be a link in the description down below to a playlist of Python programming tutorials. With that said, if you like the video, if you could drop a like on the video, it would be much appreciated as it really helps the channel, and subscribe to see new Python programming tutorials every week. Also, if you've got any questions about the video, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you. Have a great day.